Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about our another question interview question set. So far we have discussed two set of interview. So if you guys are not seen those, please go and watch. So without wasting any time, we can start with our interview questions part 3. So this is the question 1. I know this is very basic question. Any interviewer can ask you, could you please print your name in Java? You immediately react. Immediately you can say system.out.println and your name, right? And you will be happy. That how simple question has been asked by interviewer. But the real question is here. What is system? What is out? What is println? Right? This is the real question. Then confusion start here. I think everybody knows the significance of public, significance of static, significance of void, and main. Because we have learned this in classes, right? But apart from this significance, we should know what is system, what is out, what is println, right? If we are using something into a program, we should know the significance of everything. At least this is expectation from any of the interview. So let's discuss about our first question here. What is system? Okay, so system is a final class and it is defined in java.lang package, right? Again, I am saying system is final class and it is defined in java.lang package. So now what is out? So if you explore the system class, then you can easily find what is out, right? So if we can say system is a class, so class dot something, then what is type of something? What is something? This is very basic thing. We can call static member by its class name, right? So class dot something, that means something is static. That means out is a static, right? So out is public and static member of system class, right? Out is public and static member of system class. I hope you got it, right? So then the remaining one, what is println or what is print? Okay, first of all, if anything having circular open and close braces, that means this is 100%, we can say it's a method. It's a method, there is no doubt. Println or print is a method. Okay, so all instances of the printstream class have public method println. Hence, we invoke the same with the help of out. Okay, so I hope you understand these questions and justifiable answer. So I have just put all the reasons here in detail. What is system, what is out, and what is println. So let's move to our second question. Okay, so this is the second question. We have defined here integer I is equal to 0. There is a true is there. I plus plus. We have print simple hello world and we break it. Okay, so in out, what is output? Any guess? Okay, so guys, just guess your answers. I'll explain here. Okay, so is it, or it will it be print hello? Will it print error, or it will be give error in error, or none of these, no hello, no error, and there is something third answer. Okay, okay, fine. So the output is hello. Why hello? There's a reason. Okay, you know, right? If you know the looping structure, okay, it has three part. The for loop is divided into three part. First part is initialization, that we did here, int I is equal to 0. Second part is a condition, okay, and third part there is increment decrement part. Okay, so here Java is differ from C++. How Java is differ from C++ in this terminology? C++ consider all the non-zero values. Okay, listen carefully. C++ consider all non-zero values as true. Okay, non-zero value as true and 0 as false. And unlike C++, an integer values expression cannot be placed where a boolean is expected in Java. Okay, so answer is true, because behind hello answer there is a reason. Okay, so true is expected, it is boolean one. Okay, so answer is hello, and I have posted the reason here. Okay, so let's start with our third question. So just observe the question here. We have declare two num, there's integer num1, integer not int. Okay, integer num1 100, integer num2 100. As if num1 is equal to num2, then there is a print statement, else second print statement. Okay, so multiple people compare this program with string, as they have some answer like equal to means compare the reference, and dot equals compare the content, right? And without thinking anything, okay, they directly said it will give the false one, right? But don't compare string with integer. Okay, this is not going to work here. It's an integer, not a string. First of all, we need to clear it, right? So guess your output here. Okay, what will happen here? Will it be give the answer like num1 is equal to number2, or not equal to? Okay, okay, fine. So I'll clear your doubts here. Okay, so answer is it will print num1 is equal to num2. How? How num1 is equal to num2? Because it has value of 100. Is it? Are you sure? No, it is not because of 100 values defined. Okay, first of all, whenever two different object, okay, now we are clearing our concepts, okay, before come to our answer. Okay, first of all, whenever two different object, okay, two different object reference are compared using equal to, okay, two different object reference are compared using equal to operator, the values is always false. But here, because integer caching num1 and num2 are auto-boxed, right? Thus num1 is equal to num2 return true. Okay, and integer caching happen here. Okay, so what is integer caching values? Okay, there is a range for interviews. Okay, there is a range for integer. Okay, there is range for integer like -1 to 8 to +1 to 7. The hundreds, the values which we have assigned is in between -1 to 8 to +1 to 7. That's the reason it has given us the output num1 is equal to num2. Okay, and here we have defined 100. That's the reason, nothing else. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Okay, so it will print num1 and num2 and with proper reason. Okay, so guys, let's move to our fourth question. So the question number 4 is based on the third question. Now I don't think it will be difficult for you guys to give the answer, because we already discussed this, right? Integer has a range having -1 to 8 to +1 to 7. That means 128 to 127. So obviously, right, the answer is second one, that is num1 not equal to num2. To bring this question again with different values, it's just because we need to clear the understanding concept. Okay, we need to clear the understanding. Okay, and ultimately this is the goal of this all the activities. Okay, so answer is num1 is not equal to num2. This is the answer. Okay, so let's move to our fifth question, and this is the final question from our intro question set 3. So now again, this is very simple question but frequently asked, and lots of people I observe is confused there. Okay, this is only print statement. Okay, so what is output of this program? Is it Java? Will it give you error or anything else than that? Okay, please guess your answer, guys. Okay, so I'll explain. So output is not Java. I hope multiple people are shocked here. They might guess Java as output, right? But output is not Java. Okay, not give us any error also. Okay, but it will print something else. Okay, might it will print Java, but if Java would be in double quote. But if you observe here, okay, but in this question, in this case, since character literals, right, characters has been used, those won't be concatenated. Okay, so therefore after execution of this program, an additional equivalent ASCII values of each character get added. Okay, and addition will print, right? Since J having some ASCII value, A having some ASCII value, V having some ASCII value, and A having some ASCII value, so these ASCII value is getting adding together. Okay, getting added together and print the output. So now in this case, say suppose J having 106, for A 97, for V 118, and again for A 97. So output will be 418, whatever it is. So might be in future some the Java, instead of Java there is sample, anything else. Okay, but in this inter question the knowledge of ASCII value is not required. Okay, you should not remember the ASCII value of everything. Okay, but the logic is very important. If you don't know ASCII value of J, A, V, A, that's fine, completely fine. but you should know. Okay, you should know the logic, or you should say, or you can say like it will give the ASCII values. Okay, it will print the addition of ASCII values. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so it will print simple addition of ASCII values, and this is the reason behind that, guys. Okay friends, so that's it from today's session. If you have not seen earlier part, please guys, I recommend you to watch those as well. Okay, and let us know where we can improve here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.